In this question, we're given a diagram of a rectangular yard that has a length of 3x and a width of 2x minus 1. And we're told that the perimeter is 126 meters. So what we have to do is come up with an equation that represents the perimeter of the yard. Well, perimeter is the distance around the outside of the rectangle. In other words, the length plus the width plus the length plus the width. So the perimeter of 126 is equal to the length, which is 3x, plus the width, 2x minus 1, plus the other length, 3x, plus the width, 2x minus 1. And this should all equal our perimeter, which is 126 meters. Next, we have to determine the value of x. Okay, so let's simplify this equation. 126 equals, we can collect like terms, so we'll look at the x terms. There's 3x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2x. If we add all those up together, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's. Then we look at the remaining terms. So when we figured out the values for x, we can eliminate them, and we're left with negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2. So we've used up all the terms. Now what we have to do is isolate the x term. So to do that, I'm going to add 2 to both sides to get rid of the negative 2. So we get 126 plus 2 equals 10x minus 2 plus 2. And here the 2's cancel, leaving me with 128 equals 10x. Okay, let's move that up here to finish it off. I'll write it this way, 10x equals 128. And to get rid of the 10, this means 10 times x, so to get rid of it I have to divide by 10. Well, if I divide the left side by 10, I've got to divide the right side by 10. And the 10's will cancel here, leaving you with an x, and 128 divided by 10 will give me 12.8. And so the value of x is 12.8, and now don't forget the units. This would be 12.8 meters. Now if you wanted to be sure you got the right answer, we could take this value and substitute it back in here to see what we would get. And we could put it in for the length, we could put it in for the width, add all these up and see if we get 126. Well, 12.8 times 3 would be 38.4, and that would be the same for the top and the bottom. And then again, if we put 12.8 in for the x here, that would be 2 times 12.8 minus 1, which gives us 24.6, and that would be the same on this side. And if we add all these numbers up, we do indeed get 126. So we know we've got the right answer.